Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Focus transmission fluid. First, gather all necessary tools, including a drain pan, a wrench set, and the correct new transmission fluid. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands for safety. Remember to consult your owner's manual to confirm the precise fluid type and the exact amount needed for your specific model. Now, let's move on to draining the old fluid. Begin by locating the transmission drain plug, which is usually found on the bottom of the transmission pan. Position a large drain pan directly underneath to collect the used fluid. With caution, remove the drain plug and let all of the old transmission fluid drain out completely. This step ensures you remove as much old fluid as possible. Next, we will address the filter and pan. Carefully remove all the transmission pan bolts, then gently lower the pan to avoid spills. Now is the time to replace the old transmission filter with a brand new one, making sure it fits correctly. Thoroughly clean the transmission pan and install a new gasket before carefully reattaching the pan to the transmission, tightening the bolts to specification. Finally, it's time to refill and perform the crucial final check. Locate the transmission fill plug or the dipstick tube where you will add the new fluid. Using a clean funnel, slowly pour in the recommended amount of fresh transmission fluid. After refilling, start your engine, cycle through all the gears, and then accurately check the fluid level to ensure it is within the proper range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.